Hi Internet, let's play the Los Angeles Times Crossword puzzle for March 20th, a Wednesday puzzle created by Michel Gouvier and edited by Patty Verrill. One across, half a sit-up. Is that a crunch? Not sure, let's try that. Two across, commercial tune, a jingle, maybe. 13 across, A Wrinkle in Time, Madeline... I read that book. Longle, I think. Madeline Longle with an apostrophe. 14 across, timekeepers that don't work on a rainy day. A sundial. Sundials would not work on a rainy day or a cloudy day. 16 across, how baked potatoes may be cooked. Not sure. 17 across, remove as a seatbelt, maybe unbuckle. Something like that. 18 across, Gina Boswell of Bath and Body Works, for example. I don't know. 19 across, sequel to Puzo's The Last Dawn, from the Godfather books, I guess. I don't know what the sequel was called. 21 across, Mean Girls writer Tina Fey. Very funny. 22 across, underwater plant with gas-filled bladders. I have no idea. 24 across, wayward, don't know. And 26 across, time out, don't know that. Let's take a look at the downs. One down, hit it off, maybe click. You really click with someone, you hit it off. Two down, Zellweger of Judy, Renee Zellweger. Three down, developing, underway. Let's come back to that. Four down, care, for example, C-A-R-E, looks like an NGO, a non-governmental organization. Five down, sister of Erato, probably Cleo, not sure. Nightcap, a helmet, might be a cap for a knight in armor. In foil, I think, for how baked potatoes may be cooked. So let's see, what is this? Gina Boswell, Bath and Body Works. She is the CEO of Bath and Body Works, maybe? Not sure. Not familiar with that name. 22 across, underwater plant. Kelp. It's an underwater plant. It could have gas-filled bladders, I guess. Developing, unfolding. Okay, that fits. Now let's just put in Cleo. I don't know the name of the sister of Erato, but I think that both of those are Greek names, so let's try that. Seven down, a ruling faction after a coup, maybe the junta or junta. Baby, inborn? No. Ancestor of the Romance languages is Latin, so this is not unbuckle for 17 across. Infant for baby. 8 down. 9 down, contract that may prevent bad R, maybe a non-disclosure agreement would prevent bad public relations. Crux, the gist, yes. Unfasten for the seatbelt, 17 across. Makes more sense. 12 down, Justice Kagan of the Supreme Court, Elena Kagan. And button alternative could be snap. Timeout is a nap. I enjoy having a timeout. I guess omerta. I don't know that is the name of a title of both of those are. That's a word associated with the mafia, the code of silence. Wayward, errant for 24 across. I like that. Playground retort. Did two. Did two, did not, did two. 29 across, a quirky habit could be a tick. All right, so that's the first top section of the puzzle. 31 across, a cliche, maybe trite. 33 across, French noble. Roi is the only one I know, king. Let's come back to that. 35 across, comprehend, don't know. 39 across, Eurythmics lead singer, Lennox. I think that is Annie Lennox. Did they sing Sweet Dreams Are Made of This? I think that's Eurythmics. 40 across. Go from 4x6 to 8x10, say. Enlarge? I'm not sure. 41 across. Total. Totaled. Added? Don't know. 42 across, busy restaurant's notification device could be a pager. And 43 across, JFK predecessor. Who was before JFK? Was it Eisenhower? Maybe? Dwight David Eisenhower. 44 across, like some purchases. Don't know. 45 across, the blank is calm tonight. The opening of Dover Beach. C? Feels sorry for, pities, fits. Some combines, Deeres, John Deere tractors, yeah. So let's try C for 45 across. This C is calm tonight. 47 across, mouths off to. Let's try sasses for that. All right, can we get any of these downs? 20 down, 8 away, eroded. Yes, that fits. Audio files setup and an apt description of the perimeter of this puzzle. Surround sound could be the audio files setup, and it looks like we've got, so far the words we have around the perimeter are crunch, jingle, snap, click, and tap. So maybe onomatopoeic words around the perimeter. Okay, that's fun. A little treasure hunt within the puzzle. Surround, talking about snap, crackle, and pop there. Surround sound for the revealer, 14 down. All right, 33 across. Duke is the French word for duke. And 40 across, enlarge could be E-N-L, I guess. 34 down, soccer equipment, cleats. There we go. So what is 25 down? Fertile Crescent River. The Tigris is in the Fertile Crescent in the Middle East. 30 down, origami birds. Cranes are the stereotypical origami creation. 36 down, youngest daughter of Nicholas II. I guess that's Anastasia. This female name from Russian history that would fit there. 37 down, Valvoline rival. That's some kind of motor oil, so not sure. 38 down, dad, maybe pop. Comprehend could be grasp. For 35 across. 41 across, totaled ran to. Okay. And like some purchases, inapt, in-app, STP is a brand of motor oil, yes, and pop could be dad, and you can do in-app purchases within an application, an app, okay. 49 across, Amtrak stop, abbreviation, maybe station, A or N there, would fit. Silky for 52 across, let's try smooth. And guidelines, standards for 54 across, I think. 57 across, ultimate, don't know. 59 across, creative works, not sure about that. And 61 across, goal, maybe aim. 62 across are cast members of, not sure. 64 across, Yukon, neighbor. Alaska, I think. Yukon is the territory in northwest Canada. Alaska would be this neighboring state. Prop for a rock singer for 62 across, don't know. 67 across, watering hole in TV's MASH. Wasn't that the swamp? No, that was their, like, the watering hole in the tent. But they had the bar, Rosie's, I think, was the bar across the road where they would go. 68 across, unnerved, don't know. And 69 across, 1984 mermaid movie, Splash, I think, with Daryl Hannah. So far we're continuing with our onomatopoeic words in the perimeter: snap, pop, smash, splash. We have tap here. 40 down, poetry event, a poetry slam. Yes. And then 68 is our last one, right? Unnerve. Not sure. 50 down, pig-like rhino kin, a tapir. Okay, unusual animals. 51 down, pet rehoming organization. Don't know. But if this were A or N, maybe ASPCA. Ultimate could be last. If this were a P, are cast members of, appear in. They appear in, they are cast members of such and such a play. So let's try ASPCA, the American Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. Prop for a rock singer, maybe mic stand? assessment that may end with pencils down. You may hear that at the end of a test. 63 down, NFL passing stat. Don't know. 46 down, unscrupulous. Let's try amoral there. 53 down, provide a view. Opine. You provide a point of view. Your viewpoint. So mic stand and rattle for unnerve, which is a sound word, an onomatopoeia. 63 down, attempt, I guess, ATT. So creative works opuses, and we're done. What were those last two down clues? 48 down, wool gathers, shears, I guess, actually literally gathers wool from a sheep. And 60 down, unappealing food could be slop. Okay, that was fun. So our revealer was surround sound, and all the words around the perimeter were words related to sound. Crunch, jingle, snap, pop, smash, splash, rattle, slam, tap, and click. So that was fun. I enjoyed that. Thanks very much for watching.